Welcome back to Whiteboard Project Management YouTube channel. In this channel, we explain the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. So if you are a project manager or you are interested in project management, don't forget to subscribe to get all the new notification of the new videos released in the practical way of project management. Coming up in this episode will be the workshop for comparing the planned data versus the actual data from Microsoft project. We will compare the plan and the actual and set the forecasts and analyze the data. Let's go to the PC and hit start. Welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Project Management workshop. In this workshop, we will continue with our previous created project, and we will start updating the project according to the plan and collecting the data from the project. We will put the actual and we will compare the plan and the actual. So let's hit the start on our project. This is our previous project. So today I will once you created the baseline, you need to start with another thing. You need to start reading the planned data according to this Microsoft project file. You will read the data, you will set it in a table, then you will start updating the progress and you will compare both. Very easy, very simple. Let's now start using that. We have everything as 0%. We haven't started the project yet. We set the project, we have the project approved, so we put the baseline, and now we will move onward. So it's easy. Go to project, go to update project, select the first date of the project. So the first date is the 7th of February. Okay, starting the baseline start is 7th of February. Select here the first date, which is 7th of February. Okay. So I will say, okay, update work as completed through 7th of February, set 0 to 100%, means if the task is not finished, it will be percentage, and leave the rest as it is. Just go with OK and read this. Okay, 7th of February, it's 0%. So I have here one table. I will write 7th of February 2021, which is 0%. Okay, let's update it once more. Let's choose, shall we update it daily? Shall we update it weekly or every month? That depends on you, on the setting of the progress. If the progress of the project is set for 1 month or for 20 days as here, or it's set for 5 years. So the progress percentage, it depends. Okay, so we put 7th, so let's put 11. 11, we hit OK, 0%. Okay, put 11 of February 2021, 0%. 0%. Okay. Let's go more, update. We will put 14th, also 0%. Okay, 14th of February 2021, 0%. 0% with 14th of February 2021. Okay, and you keep updating it. So 14th, let's check the 18th. You keep updating it till the end of the project. See here, we have all 7%. And we said this is as of 18. So you put 18 February 2021. And you put 7%. Okay. Let's move onward. Update project. 21, 41%. 21st of February, and we said it's 41%. Okay, moving onwards. This project is set up to 5th of March. So we will say, okay, 25, 62%. 25, 62%. Moving onward, update. 28, 76%. 28, 76%. Okay, update. So the project is finished by 5th. So we will say, okay, 2nd, 78, 2nd, 78. And March, so we will say 4th of March, 81. Percent, and we will put, okay, 5th of March, 81%. And we will go to date behind it, which is 10th of March, 84%. 81, 84%. And we will go to update it on 18th of March, 100%. 18th of March, we got 100%. And if you go back, so we will say, okay, it's not 18th of March, but it's 14th of March, 84. 15th of March. Let's try it. '18th. So it's still the same. And you keep trying, you keep trying until you get a percentage. Okay, so we said here 18th of March. Cancel, and you can see the set of the it's different. You can see it. Okay, this is 5th of March. Okay, 11th, 86, and we put 11th, 86%. We'll go to another one. 14, 92, 14, 92%. Okay, 17, 97, 97%, and we are getting close. 19, 100%. 19th of March, 100%. So you just read the data. When you planned it, you set the baseline. You just keep updating the project from the start to the finish, and you will read the data here. So those are the planned data read from Microsoft project. We put it in a simple table over here. Now you have the actual data. So let's go back. Let's set the project as the start date, 7th of February. Let's set the project as 7th of February. 7th of February. Okay. And work completed is definitely 0 because we just have started the project. Okay, we check that today is 14th. So we will say that in each day which you have set in the beginning of the project, you said that I will update my project on these dates. Okay, so this is the planned and this is the actual. Then we have the forecast. Okay, important parts which we described, that you have always planned, actual, and forecast. Okay. So if we calculated the project, if we set our real progress over here, and we said that today, let's check, today is 28th. Okay, I will just put it in bold items. So if today is 28th of February and our plan is 76, and we started updating the project from the beginning. So on 7th, we had 0%. On 11th, we had also 0%. On 14th, let's say we had also 0. On 18th, we did 5%. On 21st, we did 38%. Okay. And let's say that on 25th, we did 55%. And today, we should put 76%, but we did only 70%. Okay? So you can make simple table over here. If I will use it this way, and I'll put insert chart. Okay, so you can see a simple table by Microsoft Project and Microsoft Excel, which is telling you the dates, the planned. This we call it the S-curve. The S-curve is applied same for the time, also for the cost. We will come for the cost in the next episodes. Okay, so this table is clearly telling you that your plan to be finished, on which date you will reach 100%, and your actual is here. So your actual is below the planned value. Okay, and your forecast is the line from this point up to the end. As we said, the area below the curve is the work to be completed. So if the curve is less, you need to add some area over the planned curve or beyond the planned curve. If it's going beyond the planned curve, that means the project will be in delay. If you are going above, that means you are crashing some activity, you are speeding up with some activity, means you are feeding more cost, more money in this activity to complete in time to avoid any penalties. Okay, so this is very simple way, very practical. Once you set your project, once you have the project baseline, this is the approved version of the Microsoft project, put a simple Excel sheet, set the date of your planning, then you say, I will plan it every week, or I will plan it every month, I will plan it every 2 weeks. It doesn't matter. You can update it regularly, but the planned dates which you put here, it should be in the communication plan where it's agreed. And that means if you have to send a progress report to the client every week or every month. That depends for you. So you set the dates accordingly. You read all the data from Microsoft project, as we said here. Always just update the project, and you just collect the data as it is here. You put it as a plan. Then once you start updating the practical project, you put the actual, you put the values, and you will see your plan and versus actual. This table is important for you, and this graph is important for you in the progress report. So now we assume that we have a project which is behind the schedule. Now if we put it as in schedule or ahead of schedule, so if here the 7% should be done, we completed 10%. Okay, here we completed 45%, 45%, and here we completed 70%. Here we completed 80%. So 70%, 80%. Okay, so you see that now we are above the schedule and we are speeding, so we are ahead of schedule. Okay, the forecasts, you can say the forecast that it could be the complete till the actual. So you compare always those two values. And in previous or in next episodes, we will go more deep, and we will start explaining what to do, and explaining the forecast over here, how you are going to set it and how you are forecasting it with simple Microsoft Excel. And you check your forecast completion date and the deviation period. We will leave it to another episode. So review this episode. If you have any comments, leave it down in the description of this video. And we will definitely save this file and use it in another episodes. Thank you for using Whiteboard Project Management YouTube channel as your channel for education of project management, and hope that I just explained to you the practical way of the tools and techniques used in project management. If you are interested in next episodes and more details, please consider subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get all the notifications of the new released videos. Thank you.